Today, we're teaching you how to make a proper shawarma from your own kitchen. Now, let's begin. This is not just a wrap. This is shawarma. Juicy, bold, unforgettable. It starts with simple ingredients: fresh chicken, warm spices, garlic, lemon, and a little patience. Cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, each spice telling its own story, together creating magic. Massage the flavor in. Let every piece absorb the richness. This is where the transformation begins. Now we wait, because great flavor takes time. And then heat. The sound says it all. Sizzle, smoke, caramelized perfection. Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy inside. Exactly how shawarma should be. Creamy garlic sauce, smooth, sharp, unforgettable. The finishing touch that ties it all together. Fresh crunch, bright color, balance. Layer by layer, flavor on flavor. Every bite perfectly built. Wrap it tight, seal in the heat. Street food, elevated. And there it is, one bite and you understand why the world loves shawarma. Follow and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this. You also let us know in the comment section if you're going to try this at home, and you can let us know what types of recipes you will like us to make next.